Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer XDC from your Trezor hardware wallet to Robinhood in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know how important it is to move your assets securely and efficiently. XDC, the native token of the ShinFin network, is gaining popularity for its fast transactions and low fees, and Robinhood makes it easy to trade once it's in your account. Whether you're looking to sell, trade, or just manage your portfolio better, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there in no time. First things first, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need your Trezor device set up with XDC in it, a Robinhood account that's verified for crypto deposits, and a stable internet connection. Oh, and always double-check that you're on the official apps and websites to avoid any scams. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Unlock your Trezor wallet using your PIN and connect it to your computer via USB. Open the Trezor Suite app and navigate to your XDC wallet. Here, you'll see your XDC balance. Take a moment to confirm it. Step 2. In Robinhood, go to the Crypto section and select Deposit or Transfer In. You'll need to generate a deposit address for XDC. Make sure it's specifically for the ShinFin network, as Robinhood supports it directly in 2025. Copy that address carefully. Step 3. Back in Trezor Suite, select the XDC you want to transfer and choose Send. Paste the Robinhood deposit address into the recipient field. Double-check the amount, including any network fees, and hit Confirm. Trezor will require your PIN again for security. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. This usually takes a few minutes, depending on network congestion. Once it's confirmed, check your Robinhood account to see the XDC appear. And there you go. You've successfully transferred your XDC. A quick word of advice. Always start with a small test transfer to avoid any issues, and keep an eye on transaction fees as they can add up. If you run into problems, Robinhood's support or Trezor's resources are super helpful. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.